Powhatan, not unlike some of the other bows we use today, it's being shot off the hand, not so much off of a notch, not off of the way we tend to think of our bows today, not like a compound bow. But the Powhatans themselves would typically be either made of wood or river cane. And so when they, the idea is that you're going to have that piece of a sinew or rawhide there, so that when you pull the string back, go off the hand and let it fly. Of course, depending on your arrows, you can also use the arrows for different things. There's some arrows for fishing, some arrows for hunting, some just for warfare. Some could be used interchangeably as well. Different size arrows can be made for different size game. I've seen some points as small as my pinky, if not smaller, for small game. While some can be as big as my thumb, if not bigger, for larger game. But typically made of a stone or bone points. Sometimes though, wooden sharpened points could be used for really small game as well. Just so that way there's not as much damage done to the flesh, meaning there's more to eat out off of the meat.